At Deputy, we like to make sure we're doing everything we can to help streamline operations in your business, which is why we choose to integrate with the world's best software and systems wherever we can. For this reason, we're excited to share that our New Zealand customers will now be able to seamlessly connect their Deputy and Xero accounts to run a faster, easier and more accurate payroll. This video will go over the steps needed to integrate Xero with Deputy and get you up and running in no time. The first thing you'll need to do is to import the employee details that have been set up in Xero straight into your Deputy account. This will make sure all the details saved in Deputy and Xero are identical. To do this, navigate to the People tab in Deputy, click on that Add People drop-down and select Add/Import Multiple People. Select the location you want to import them to, and then under Import or Upload a File, click on Xero Payroll. At this point, you'll be prompted to connect your Deputy account to Xero by following the prompts that appear in the pop-up box. This will import all of your employees into Deputy directly, which you can then go through and manually edit and confirm. Once all your employee details have been imported into Deputy, you will need to set up the individual pay rates for your employees. This is important as Deputy will work off the pay rates set directly within Deputy, rather than those set in Xero. To do this, select the employee in the People tab and click on the Edit Profile in the top right-hand corner. Then select Pay Rates and choose your preferred pay rate for that employee. Anything you select on this screen will automatically be applied in Xero, so make sure your changes are in Deputy only. You can also turn on Auto Sync in Deputy so that changes you make on one system will automatically be applied to the other. This will make managing employees much easier as you only need to focus on one system when updating employee details, such as phone numbers, emails, addresses, and even leave balances. Changing them in Deputy will automatically change them in Xero too. To turn this on, navigate to Locations tab and click on Edit Settings next to the location you wish to apply this to. Select Payroll on the left-hand side, and underneath Xero, you should see a slider that says Auto Sync Employee. Simply click on this button to switch Auto Sync on. Keep in mind, it may take up to 15 minutes for this to begin working. The final step in this process is to export your timesheets directly from Deputy to Xero, cutting the need for tedious manual data entry or complex spreadsheets. To do this, click on the Timesheets tab in Deputy and select Export Timesheets. Select the timesheets you wish to export and then click Export Selected Items. In the first drop-down, choose Xero Payroll and then simply hit Export. This will transfer all the information from these timesheets directly into Xero as draft timesheets where you can run your payroll as usual. We hope this integration will make payroll through Xero a much easier and less time-consuming process. If you need more help, be sure to check out the in-depth help docs linked at the bottom of this video or contact our 24/7 customer support team.